G'day, I'm Alistair Christie, and this video is for LearnWindows.tv. Today we're going to have a look at some keyboard shortcuts that will allow you to adjust the windows on your desktop. All of these shortcuts should work with Windows 8 and most with Windows 7. So, on with the show. Our first keyboard combination is Window+D, which is Show Desktop. It hides all the open windows, and if I press it again, it brings them all back. Similar to that is Window+M, which is Minimize all windows, and to bring those back you have to press Window+Shift+M. The other key combination is Window, and that is peek at desktop, and you can see the outline of the windows there, and I've got the window key held down, and if I release it, it brings back the windows. Before I do our next keyboard shortcut, you'll notice if I move the mouse over one of these taskbar items, you'll see there's a little highlight underneath the image. And for our next keyboard shortcut, Window+T, you'll see that highlight appears, and if I press it again, it shifts to the next, and Control-Shift-T will move backwards. Once there is an item highlighted, I can actually use the arrow keys to select, and if I highlight Google Chrome and press enter, it opens that window. If I go to my Explorer windows and press enter, I can then pick the one that I want, and we'll go with that one. And that was Window+T. Our next four shortcut keys involve changing window sizes, and the first of which is Window+Up, which is maximize window, so that it takes up full screen. It's Window+Down to restore, and have the same functionality as those two window controls. And if I go Window+Down once more, it minimizes, for which I need to go back to the taskbar to get it back. So that's Window+Up and Down. The next is Window+Left and Right. So if I let's grab that one, and I go Window+Left, it maximizes it to the left hand side. From there I can go Window+Right to unmaximize it, and Window+Right again to maximize it to the right hand side. Now if there are multiple monitors available, I can continue with Window+Right again onto the next monitor, and then Window+Right restores it to that monitor, and then Window+Right again, so I'm all the way. And it actually loops back but I've got a third monitor which it goes past. So, and we can bring it back to how it was. So that's Window+Up, Down, Left and Right. We are now on to our last five key combinations, the first of which is Window+Home, which minimizes all but the current window, and I can press that again to bring all the other windows back. Next, Window+Shift+Up, which maximizes vertically the window, so it goes from bottom to top of screen. And if I press Window+Shift+Down, it restores it, and once again it minimizes it. And finally, Window+Left and Right. Window+Right shifts to the neighboring window, or neighboring desktop, and Window+Left returns it. So move window to the screen on the right, and move it to the left. And that concludes our Windows shortcut keys for adjusting windows. Thanks for taking the time to watch this tutorial. If you found it useful, please give it a thumbs up, and also subscribe to the channel. I'm Alistair Christie for LearnWindows.tv.